at these lights, guys. Look at these lights, man. That shit crazy. I be thinking my light's bright. Look at that shit, bro. I had to like flip my mirror at him so he could like, you know, blind himself. Ah, damn, dog. Well, guys, so I'm gonna be fixing these blades, man. These are totally messed up. I couldn't even see. I was driving in the rain, so I just had to pick up. These boys, really expensive. For one, I think the next one is like $30, $40 or something. Or 20, about that. So altogether you're looking like 50 something. So yeah, I'm gonna throw these on and see what it looks like. So make sure y'all what else I got here. I got some wipes because I wanted to re-clean the seats again. Also got more turtle wax, the good stuff. So we're gonna clean the seats using these. You could rewash them, and yeah, you won't have to throw them away. I also got a vacuum hose because when I was changing my spark plugs, I noticed some of the hoses got like little cracks in them, where you know, with the heat and stuff. So I'll replace them also. But yeah, doing some kind of maintenance. I just want to make sure the seats stay clean because I have sensitive skin, so sometimes my skin will break out if it's touching dirty stuff. So I want to clean this up just to make sure that in here is better. So yeah, I'll start this and show you what it looks like afterwards. Y'all know what time it is. Get these seats right. Clean your wheels, boys. Clean your wheels. Look at this shit. Yeah. That's what your hand gotta be touching, so. Clean your wheels, boys. Clean your wheels. What's up, guys? So I'm still out thinking if I should probably go to a car meet just to let you guys see some of the cars that's out here, man. Let me show y'all the Altima. The Altima is pretty clean today. Although it could be a little bit cleaner, it's not. Because it was dusty. But I'm thinking I should just do a little drive-by to a car meet and let you guys just see, some of the cars and what's going on, and just to make this a better video. So I'm still out. The dashboard is really, really clean. I like you know what, I'll go and do some more. So I'm gonna go and do that side, make sure it's a lot better, cleaner, and yeah, let's see what that look like. All right, guys, I want to show you how to do a cruise control drive, right? So you have your buttons right here, right? So what you want to do is hit this button to coast, right? I like. You want to hit this on button first, right? That's gonna show cruise up here. See that? Cruise. Now once you have that activated, right? Turn on this music. Once you have that activated, you just want to pull down. First, you want to go a certain speed. I want to go about 20 miles per hour, a little bit over that, and then I'm gonna pull the same button right here, right over here, right over here. Pull this down, and you're gonna see it now saying set. Now you let go to foot pedals, and you're ready for your drive-by. You can throw your feet up on the dash, and your car is gonna be moving. So yeah, that's how you perform the drive-by technique. It's only for special cars like the Altimas. So yeah, Friday night stroll. Let's go.